Well, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back, Northbound Outdoors. It's Keith. I got Carter today. It's just us two out here today. We're going to be doing a little switch up from the trout fishing. As you guys kind of remember last time, it ended up getting really warm that day and really started to unthaw a lot of things around here. So we decided we better kind of close it up for the year for ice fishing season at least. But with that said, now we get to go on to the real season, I think, and that's the open water.
Oh yeah.
So we're going to be out today. We're out on the St. Croix actually. We're going to be doing some river fishing out here, trying to get some, hopefully some catfish. That's our goal today. Obviously there's some other species that can kind of intermix too as well, but we're definitely targeting some catfish today. We're actually on a border water, so that allows us to fish with 2 rods a person. So we're also going to throw out a regular spinning rod too, maybe some jerk baits or I think Carter's got a whopper plopper on today. We're going to give that a go, try to get some smallmouth as the regulations change this year too as well. We can actually target all catch and release this early season for smallmouth and largemouth. So we're going to have a couple of rods going today. Hopefully it'll be a good time. So stay tuned. All right, here we go.
Yep.
Adam, good. Carter's hooked up. Here we go. First one of the year. Here we go. A river. How's he feel, bud? How's he feeling? Not bad.
Probably be a sucker.
It's okay.
Fighting's pretty good for a sucker though.
Yeah, it might be more than just a sucker. Here we go.
I gotta get used to this.
What do we got? What do we got?
Questions. I think it may be a red horse the way it's fighting.
Think so?
Maybe.
Seems like a big red horse then to me. You got like a channel maybe or a...
Never know. I keep my away from over there.
There you go.
Yeah, it's a red horse.
You got a red horse?
Yep.
Okay.
Bigger one.
Yeah,
I
good.
think it's a red horse. Yeah. Looking like it. Oh yeah.
Red horse.
I think it may
Got some weeds or something too? You got him with Billy?
yeah. That's why I was kind of fighting a little harder.
That's right. Go ahead and grab it.
Can you hold this?
Yep. All right.
Can you see here?
We'll go bring up the camera, show it off. There you go. First fish of the day. Somebody. Nice. Okay. Yeah, go ahead and release her.
There she goes.
Cool. Nice job, buddy.
Yeah.
What's going on, everyone? I'm back here. Just got set up. About to tie setup here that we typically use out here for just about everything in the river. Pretty simple setup. I'll just kind of walk you through it since I got to set one up anyways. I did a little pre-cutting of the line just so that it's not taking me forever here. But basically how you want to set this up is you want to get yourself a weight. I actually do some of my own pours at home. I have a couple kits that allow me to set up some like no roll sinkers, they call them. I got them somewhere here. So basically I'm going to use a little 4 ounce weight. Out here in the river, kind of depends, you know, if the current's really moving fast, you probably want to go a little something heavier, so that's, you know, keeping that line down there. Today it's fairly calm actually, so I think I'll get by with just using the 4 ounce weight. But basically what you want to do is you want to set up where you're going to have this no roll go on first. So we'll slide that on. Next I'm gonna get a different weight because this one, the end of it's kind of king. All right, so let's try that again. I got a 4-ounce weight. This one I poured myself last year, so it's looking pretty clean. I just kind of wet the end so I can get it through. There's a little eye hole at the end right here that you'll want to kind of feed it through. So I'll feed that through nice and slow, like so. And then next what I do is I put on a little small bead, and that's just to protect the line, or that weight I should say, and line, but protects the line from that weight slamming down on top of your swivel here. So we're gonna use just a small little swivel. I don't even know what poundage that is. And I can't remember what the name for that knot is specifically, but I'll put it in the description here somewhere. But basically I'm just running about 7 to 8 turns around the line. And then I'll take my tag end and I'll feed it back through the opening here. You guys can find that one. There's millions of videos online on how to do that, but basically just cinch it down. I get it wet a little bit. And then I'll just pull the line down. Like so. Okay. Then we'll be cutting that tag end here. So I'll just cut that tag end with a knife here. And then next, what I'm gonna do is put on, I had cut this pre-cut, I don't know, maybe a 1.5 foot, just regular line. I'm running braid here. This is like 50-pound braid. Hopefully the audio is decent. I ended up picking up a couple small microphones just for today. It's windy out, so hopefully the audio is decent here. Giving a couple more turns. Feed it back through. Again, kind of wet my line and slide that knot down. For as far as the hook goes, you can really use just about anything, but I actually go kind of small. It's kind of a thing that I've been using a lot more out here in the river. It's just a small octopus. It's a size 2. Gamakatsu makes some pretty solid hooks, but this will really, I mean, I've caught fish, huge sturgeon. I've caught big catfish on these. So you don't always have to go super big with hooks either, but you know, we're using worms today, so you know, you're gonna obviously be able to put a more of a gobba worm on it with a little bit bigger hook. I'm gonna feed that through the opening here. Do my same probably 7-8 turns around the line. Again, feeding it back through that opening I made. Twist it around and then back through. Get a little wet. Cinch that knot back down on the hook, and that's it. We'll take up that little tag end there. That's ready to be baited up and thrown out. Carter's hooked up. Carter's hooked up. We got another one going on here, I think, too, Carter. Could have a double trouble. Huh? Yeah, I got one on here too. Yep, hooked up 2 double. Mine's a little red horse, I bet. Yep. Another red horse. You got a red horse too, Carter? Nice. Let's go. There we go. Nice job, Carter. Okay.
Got it?
Yeah. Nice job, buddy.
Oh yeah. Let's throw some worm on there too.
Yeah. All right, let's go show them off. One more red horse. Nice ones.
Some double up action.
Yeah. There we go. Okay. Sweet. All right. We'll get them back. Let's I'm going to turn the camera here. You'll be able to see here.
Ready?
Okay, I got the GoPro ripping. There we go.
There's little nice red horses here.
There we go. On the way they go. Nice.
Red horse.
What's going on, guys? Just a little mid-morning update. We're made a move here, just kind of backwaters, a little warmer. I'm thinking we got ended up with the 3 suckers at the other spot, but we're gonna give this a little go here and try this out instead. I said I'm thinking a little backwater, maybe a little bit more warmer. See how it goes. Carter's hooked up. He's hooked up. Nice.
Red horse?
Red horse, cool. Well, what's going on, everyone? That about wraps it up for today. Overall, unfortunately, pretty slow day, but Carter and I didn't really have too high expectations considering the ice just came off the river here just about 2 weeks ago. We've been out here before in the past and actually done it really well, so we'll definitely be back for sure. I want to say to everybody, thanks for subscribing. We hit 100 subscribers here on Friday, and I really appreciate all you guys watching. We got big plans for the summer coming up with open water. Should be a fun time. What do you think, Carter?
Yeah, it was a pretty good day overall. I think next month it should be really good when it starts to warm up.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, once it gets warming up, it'll be pretty good out here. Fish will be biting. Anyways, little shorter video today. I was gonna probably edit it, but I thought, now I'll figure I'll just leave it as it is. Considering, you know, this is how fishing goes. Sometimes you get a whole bunch and sometimes you don't. Anyways, on to the next one, guys. Take it easy. Have a good one. Later.
No.